Alright y'all, so today is November the 3rd and I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the new iPhone 10. Receipt stuff, got return stuff, and booyah, the new iPhone 10.
It shows the iPhone. It shows the iPhone, Daddy-o.
I think I need this again. It is the 256 gigabyte version. And voila. Oh. Voila.
What?
Designed by Apple in California.
There's iPhone.
Yeah, there's the iPhone. Now let me not drop it like people do. And yeah, it feels smaller in the hand compared to the 6 Plus.
Look, Daddy, I have a phone.
This is a 6 Plus, but it's inside of an OTTERBOX case. And pretty much, yeah, you get like...
Hey, I'm going to do my phone here.
So pretty much you get like a lot more space inside your pocket whenever you're trying to, store it in your pocket. And so yeah.
Look at my phone.
And
Look at my phone.
you get the plug.
And here's my phone.
You get some what they call the earbud, the AirPods or something like that. Pretty dope. And you got the connector so you can hook it up to your Lightning.
I have my phone.
And you got the
It's
little mini stereo jack.
4411. I'm going to call 11 on you.
And then you got the charge cable, the USB charge cable too.
Okay,
And,
they have headphones and you can listen to everything, and the chargers here to fix it is you can go up.
Yes, good girl. And yeah, that's pretty much what you get when you get an iPhone 10. And
Yeah, but I have my phone here.
and I also got the OTTERBOX Defender to go along with it. When it comes to cases, I always get the OTTERBOX Defender because I've dropped it on concrete that's so hard, and it never cracked the screen, nothing. Phone still looks brand new. And since this iPhone supposedly has like some kind of like tempered glass that's real strong, the new OTTERBOX case does not have an actual screen cover. Let me try to keep a comparison. This is the iPhone 6 Plus, and I'm gonna go ahead and compare it. So as you see, it has a little bit more, I didn't really charge this up yet. Let me know if it came with a charge. Oh, yeah, it did. So, I don't even have a picture on this one yet. But as you see, the screen is like a little bit more viewable screen on the 10. But the, oh, there we go. But the actual body of the iPhone 6 Plus is a lot more than the 10, so that's that. So as I was gonna try to compare the iPhone 6 Plus with the iPhone 10, as soon as I turned it on, it started to already sync up with the other phone and put all the data that I need from this phone onto that phone, which is pretty cool. I didn't really have to do anything special or nothing like that. And I should probably plug this up before it dies on me. And yeah, that's a pretty cool feature on the iPhone 10. But
Hey, Daddy.
thanks for watching, y'all.